Do you want to speak English with confidence? Do you want to ask questions in English easily? Then this lesson is for you. Today, we are learning WH Questions Part 2. Stay until the end and practice with me. Hi, I'm your English coach from BBC English Online. Today, we're learning WH Questions Part 2 with easy examples and question-answer practice. This lesson is perfect for beginners, students, and spoken English learners. In Part 1, we learned who, what, when, where, why, and how. In Part 2 today, we will learn which, whose, how many, how much, how long, how often. These questions are very important for daily English speaking. So let's start. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to BBC English Online, and hit the bell icon. This way, you will never miss a new English lesson. Today's topic is WH Questions Part 2. WH questions are questions that ask for information. They do not have a yes or no answer. They give us detailed information. For example, which color do you like? Answer, I like blue. Whose bag is this? Answer, it is my bag. How many brothers do you have? Answer, I have 2 brothers. See? These questions give us real information. They are very useful in daily English speaking. Let's learn each question one by one. WH question, which. Usage, we use which to ask about a choice. We use which when there are 2 or more options. Which examples? Which color do you like, a red or blue? Which book is yours? Which seat is free? Which road goes to the station? Which shirt do you want to wear? Now let's practice which questions and answers. Question, which color do you like? Answer, I like blue. Question, which book is yours? Answer, this book is mine. Question, which seat is free? Answer, that seat is free. Question, which road goes to the station? Answer, take the left road. Question, which shirt do you want to wear? Answer, I want to wear the white shirt. Question, which class are you in? Answer, I am in class 10. Question, which language do you speak at home? Answer, I speak Hindi at home. Question, which is your favorite subject? Answer, my favorite subject is English. WH question, whose. Usage, we use whose to ask about ownership. Whose shows who something belongs to. Whose examples? Whose bag is this? Whose pen is on the table? Whose phone is ringing? Whose house is that? Whose turn is it? Now let's practice whose questions and answers. Question, whose bag is this? Answer, it is my bag. Question, whose pen is on the table? Answer, it is Ravi's pen. Question, whose phone is ringing? Answer, it is my phone. Question, whose house is that? Answer, that is my uncle's house. Question, whose turn is it? Answer, it is your turn. Question, whose notes are these? Answer, these are Priya's notes. Question, whose car is parked outside? Answer, it is my father's car. Question, whose idea was this? Answer, it was my idea. Now let me tell you 2 very common mistakes. Mistake 1, using what instead of which. Wrong, what color do you prefer, a red or blue? Correct. Which color do you prefer, red or blue? We use which when there are specific options or choices. We use what for open questions with no fixed options. Wrong. What is your bag? Correct. Whose bag is this? We use whose to ask about ownership. We do not use what for this. WH question, how many? Usage, we use how many to ask about the number of countable things. Countable things are things we can count, like books, brothers, chairs, apples. How many examples? How many brothers do you have? How many books are on the table? How many students are in your class? How many languages do you speak? How many cups of tea do you drink every day? Now let's practice how many questions and answers. Question, how many brothers do you have? Answer, I have 2 brothers. Question, how many books are on the table? Answer, there are 5 books on the table. Question, how many students are in your class? Answer, there are 40 students in my class. Question, how many languages do you speak? Answer, I speak 2 languages. Question, how many cups of tea do you drink every day? Answer, I drink 3 cups of tea every day. Question, how many days are in a week? Answer, there are 7 days in a week. Question, how many hours do you study every day? Answer, I study for 3 hours every day. Question, how many people are in your family? Answer, there are 5 people in my family. WH question, how much? Usage, we use how much to ask about the amount of uncountable things. Uncountable things are things we cannot count, like water, money, sugar, milk, rice. We also use how much to ask about the price of something. How much examples? How much water do you drink every day? How much is this shirt? How much milk is in the glass? How much sugar do you take in your tea? How much money do you need? Now let's practice how much questions and answers. Question, how much water do you drink every day? Answer, I drink 8 glasses of water every day. Question, how much is this shirt? Answer, it is 500 rupees. Question, how much milk is in the glass? Answer, there is a little milk in the glass. Question, how much sugar do you take in your tea? Answer, I take 1 spoon of sugar. Question, how much money do you need? Answer, I need 200 rupees. Question, how much rice did you eat? Answer, I ate a little rice. Question, how much time do you have? Answer, I have 30 minutes. Question, how much petrol is in the bike? Answer, there is very little petrol. This is a very common mistake for beginners. Wrong, how much books do you have? Correct, how many books do you have? Books can be counted. So we use how many. Wrong, how many water do you drink? Correct, how much water do you drink? Water cannot be counted. So we use how much. Remember. How many equals countable things, books, chairs, students. How much equals uncountable things, water, money, sugar, rice. WH question, how long? Usage, we use how long to ask about the duration of time. Duration means how much time something takes. How long examples? How long does it take to reach Delhi? How long have you been learning English? How long is the movie? How long will you stay here? How long does the class last? Now let's practice how long questions and answers. Question, how long does it take to reach Delhi? Answer: it takes 5 hours by train. Question: how long have you been learning English? Answer: I have been learning English for 6 months. Question: how long is the movie? Answer: the movie is 2 hours long. Question: how long will you stay here? Answer: I will stay here for 3 days. Question: how long does the class last? Answer: the class lasts for 1 hour. Question: how long have you been waiting? Answer: I have been waiting for 20 minutes. Question: how long is the journey to Mumbai? Answer: it is about 12 hours by train. Question: how often? Usage: we use how often to ask about frequency. Frequency means how many times something happens. How often? Examples: how often do you exercise? How often do you visit your grandparents? How often do you eat outside? How often does the bus come? How often do you practice English? Now let's practice how often questions and answers. Question: how often do you exercise? Answer: I exercise every day. Question: how often do you visit your grandparents? Answer: I visit them once a month. Question: how often do you eat outside? Answer: I eat outside twice a week. Question: how often does the bus come? Answer: the bus comes every 30 minutes. Question: how often do you practice English? Answer: I practice English every day. Question: how often do you watch English videos? Answer: I watch English videos daily. Question: how often does it rain here? Answer: it rains almost every day in July. Now repeat after me. Say each question loudly and clearly. Which color do you like? Whose bag is this? How many students are in your class? How much water do you drink every day? How long does it take to reach your school? How often do you practice English? Excellent. Now let's do one more round. Which book is yours? Whose phone is ringing? How many languages do you speak? How much is this? How long will you stay here? How often do you exercise? Very good. You are doing great. Let's do the final practice now. I will ask you a question. Say the answer out loud before I give it. Ready? Question: which subject do you like most? Answer: I like English the most. Question: whose notebook is on the chair? Answer: it is Rahul's notebook. Question: how many days are in a week? Answer: there are 7 days in a week. Question: how much sugar do you take in your tea? Answer: I take 1 spoon of sugar. Question: how long have you been learning English? Answer: I have been learning English for 1 year. Question: how often do you watch English videos? Answer: I watch English videos every day. Excellent work. You practiced all 6 WH questions today. Practice these sentences every day. Read them again and again. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat loudly. The more you practice, the more confident you become. If you missed WH Questions Part 1, watch it now. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence. This is your English coach from BBC English Online.